Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload profile photo on Otter. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on Otter.ai. Now select your name which is on your top left corner. Now select account settings. Now select edit button. Now again select on this edit button. Now select upload photo. Now you need to get to the photo and then select it and then select on open, and now select on save. Now select on done, and that's how you guys can see that you have successfully uploaded your profile photo on Otter. So that's how you guys can upload your profile photo, and that's it for the video. Now if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.